What's going on, YouTube? We have another great morning. So we've been having quite a bit of a pump in the morning. So I've been holding this SUI trade. I'm just now seeing, I was actually away from the computer, but we'll start with Bitcoin. We'll get over to SUI. So remember in our last video, we marked this up. We said this could be our bounce. And sure enough, it was. It was liquidation of all this over here. Liquidate all of this. Boom. By going underneath it. That's what I mean. Big liquidity sweep, okay? So they sweep all that liquidity. Let me get rid of market cipher for you guys. Hold on. And now you're seeing that on the 1 hour, or the 4 hour, I'm sorry, the money flow is starting to switch. You go to the daily, money flow is, hold on, let's look. Money flow is printing a green dot on the daily. This is good. This is very good. 2 day. Money flows in the green. I mean, we're looking okay. In the 1 hour, we are top signaling. But we are in some big resistance right now. We need to get above, let's just call it 106. We need to get to 106,000. But then even up here, we have an area with liquidity at, so really we need to get back above 107 before I would personally say we're completely out of the clear. So we're gonna see what happens. If we look at this trend line that was formed, we broke that, but then went way below. Like I said, got rid of all this liquidity, I mean swept all of this liquidity, okay? And now we're at a spot we got to get above, okay? ETH does look a little bit better just because, alright, it made a double top though. I mean, obviously if Bitcoin doesn't break here, ETH's going to do the same and drop. The only reason I say ETH looks a little bit better is because it didn't fully reach this area here, but it doesn't have to either. So our Solana trade, I didn't post it, but last night I took this Solana trade. That played out to the T. Very good 1 to 2 setup. Now SUI. I've been in SUI for, where did I get in? 3.179. 3.179. So about here. I got in here. Stop loss below. Yeah, I should have just closed at this peak over here in this resistance. I was honestly upstairs in the shower. Hopefully I can get a bounce here, but money flow on the 15. 5 is calling is calling a strong low on the smart money indicator. We'll see what happens. If this doesn't hold, I'll exit. I'm just gonna exit. So oh yeah, and then that Altcoin short is actually back at the entry, man. We didn't get the full move. We wanted that full move down because we got in, was it here? Yeah, we didn't get in on Wednesday. We got in on Friday, I believe. So what I'm hoping, I'm wondering if we could actually take the second entry. It's below today's orb. this could play out, actually. This honestly could play out pretty well. We will see. Okay, back to what we were saying. I like this Altcoin short idea. It could play out. But what I actually, we haven't looked at Caspa since it had that huge drop. Also, XRP. It's crazy. I haven't traded XRP. I hold it long term, but I haven't day traded it in a very long time. I'm not gonna lie. It's just, it moves. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I just feel like there's other options. We've stayed in this general area for a very long time now. We've been in this range for a long time. Right, I would say out here. We've been going in this range, I mean, you could even say this right here, for a very, very long time. I do feel like XRP is almost overvalued, to be honest. I mean, in the daily right now, we're not looking bad. We're not looking horrible. But I think this $1.98 to $2 range would be extremely good if we could get up there. That would be an amazing zone of interest. BNB always doing well. Chainlink. Man, I wish I got on that bounce. Caspa could be a really good short as well. Ooh, look at that, boys. Wow. I'd want to see this get broken first. Come back, retest it. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to mark this up. It'd be something like that. But we would need to see this get broke to really show us that we're gonna go lower, and then come back up and retest it. So it need to look like it need to break that, come back up, and then go down. So we'll watch and wait. A lot of, you know what we're gonna do? We need to go look at the dominance charts. Let's see what's going on. So BTC dominance obviously still trailing. The ETH dominance is starting to slow down, for sure. I could see it drop from here, maybe. It could. Oh, oops. The Solana dominance is definitely coming back down. I do think we're going to get back down to like 2.3 to 2.29 area. Ooh, the XRP dominance finally broke that support, guys. And this is, I've been telling you guys, like XRP, in my eyes, and not just my eyes, a lot of people's eyes, is overvalued. And I hold it. I'm not going to say, I mean, I've sold only my initial deposit. Okay, we're seeing the USDT come down. USDC is continuing down. That's good things. And we're seeing the overall market cap, total market cap, it's at 3.25 trillion. But this is where it gets iffy. It's just like when you look at the Bitcoin chart right now. We're in some heavy resistance. We could pull back from here. With that being said, why don't we look up some meme coins? Ooh, this could fall off a cliff, guys. This could definitely get swept. I honestly like this. It's not a bad trade. We're just going to close all of that because we're now shorting. We're going to short Kyoto, however the hell you say it, guys. We're just gonna go for that low. I don't like it though, because it's like a 1-to-1 almost. I really don't like trading 1-to-1s. I'm kind of upset that Sui, dude, I should have completely closed way up there. This should not be. I should not have been closing now. Like, that's all I'm saying. That was a horrible. I thought I set my TP. I think I set my TP higher, a little bit higher though. It just didn't. And on this exchange, you can tell it didn't quite get up there all the way. Like when we were looking at this chart. But hold on, we're gonna look at shorting some memes. Ooh, Brett was climbing up today. Peanut. It's not quite in that zone. Mooding dropping like it's hot. Jeez. If we would have caught this up here. Pepe could be a good one. I kind of like Pepe. If we can break through that, I want to take it. So 1-to-2. Let's see what happens with that one. Okay, Moodang Virtual Protocol. Wow. That would have been a great short. AI16Z. But then again, shorting Sui would have been great. If I would have took TP at the top of that, not when I was in the shower, when I was in the shower, if I would have took TP, I would have closed it if I saw it breaking down like that too. And then, ooh, dog with hat broke structure here. Ooh, this is going to be a falling knife, guys. Let's see if we can come back up to this. And take it all the way down. We'll take an alert here. If we pop back up, we'll take it. So I just saw something. We're gonna go back and look. I just saw something. I think I saw something. If you go to here on Blowfin, what is BTC Dom? I was thinking BTC dominance. I was gonna say there's no way they got that on there to trade. Let's go look at. What is BTC Dom? Hold on. It is. It's the dominance. You can now trade BTC dominance. Wow. What? How crazy is that, guys? You can now trade BTC dominance. Oh, ETH BTC. What? These are new, guys. Obviously, you're not going to get all the data. That's pretty cool, though. That is dope. I like it. I like it a lot. I think that's pretty cool. So, I wanted to go in here. Let's go over some things that's going on. Let's just see. I mean, obviously right now, everyone's talking about Elon Musk and Trump fighting. That is a big thing. I'm also seeing a lot about China blocking crypto, banning again. It's just like, it's crazy. They just go back and forth all the time. I'm thinking because China's mad at Trump, maybe. I don't know this time. Also, I'm seeing a lot about Ethereum, guys. I think that Ethereum is about to start taking over, or start surprising a lot of people. I also want to look, while we're on here, guys, let's look at the inflation data right now. I'm curious to see, like, where we're at right now. Yeah, we're coming down just a little bit, nothing too significant. We peaked at 210 in May, but it's been coming down. And then, where is... Look at liquidation, and we're gonna see where there's a lot of money sitting at 105.8, so like right before 106. It's gonna be a lot of shorting. I can tell you that right now. People are gonna be waiting to short. A lot is sitting here, guys. All up in here. Look at that. A lot of shorting is taking place. I apologize. So, I mean, right now, I guess we're getting a little... Oh, wow. Sui took a dump. I mean, I'm happy I got out. Sui took a major dump. So, ETH... We were already in ETH longs. We got out, though. I mean, it made double top. I mean, it's just one 5-minute candle. I'm not saying we're gonna shoot up. I'm just looking. Solana taps the support zone, but I don't think it's gonna. God, Sui took a major dive. I'm pissed because I would have just closed my entry. Oh, I was about here. Yeah, I could have closed here. It went below the orb, that red line right there. It broke orb, came back, tested the orb, and you could have just shorted off that, guys. This is why I love the orb strategy, man. Like, it is. I mean, but here's the thing. Look at ETH. It broke orb, but you could have scalped that. I don't know if it's going to keep going up. Solana broke orb, came back, tested orb, dropped. I mean, you can easily make a nice little bag off that. That's a 1 to 3. I mean, that's if you're going, I mean, and it's still 1% move in the market. Nothing crazy. But if you're talking R to R, risk to reward, I mean, but a lot of people don't realize, man, when you're trading bigger accounts, a move like that can make thousands of dollars on that one little move. I mean, there's probably a bunch of people that made tons of money just on this. It's not even a 1% move. There's someone out there that can capitalize just on that. But I just want to, and my whole point to bring this up is, if you can build a strategy and a momentum that you can consistently hit even just a 1% move in the market every day or every other day, if you can consistently do that with a small account, you can do it with a big account. You could do it with $100,000 account if you can do it with $100 account. That's the beauty of trading. The strategy and the that doesn't change. What changes is the account size, and that is it. Obviously, there's more emotions that go with it when it's a bigger account. I can tell you that. You know, the higher you get up, the more emotions you go through. No doubt about that. All right. I want to look at Moonpig. This was a meme coin that James Wynn has been talking about for some time now. James Wynn is the guy that is taking the $1 billion trades and stuff on. I don't know if anyone has heard about him, but I can give you a little preview of him. So this guy he's been promoting that Moonpig trade or coin, but that's not what I'm talking about here. He took $100 million long on Bitcoin. He got hit for it, all of it. He got hit for it, guys. Definitely got hit. And at one point he was up, 90 million or something in profits. And when I say he's taking $1 billion long, you gotta remember it's with leverage. So it's like, trying to find it here. So if you took $100 million long with 10x leverage or whatever, like, obviously you can see how the numbers can scale. $100 million long with 10x leverage, you're gonna get a $1 billion trade. I think he did, yeah. Ooh, there it is. So he's calling market manipulation, and it could be. Because if you really look at this, but then again, like, he's mad, but it's like, look at this. So we're declining. Yes, we break above this trend line, but this breakout goes into this order block that was the last drop from major, like where it started on the second wave down. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which it's a 5-way pattern. Breaks trend line, comes into this order block, and drops. Yes, it's a little iffy. He's mad because the trend line break indicated we broke that wedge, right? Because it wasn't a bearish wedge, bearish flag, bearish wedge, whatever you want to call it. It broke out of that, but obviously didn't hold. There, he's calling market manipulation, but obviously he's mad because he got hit, he got liquidated. He trades huge positions with leverage. Huge positions without a stop loss. He places the trade and goes completely to liquidation price. You know what I mean? He opens his trade and he calculates, basically his stop loss is the liquidation price, is what I'm trying to say. So if he loses, he gets hit for the whole thing, which to me isn't a style of trading I like to do. I would prefer having stop losses. Part of me wonders if I should have waited for this break and retest, but we're gonna see how it reacts here. It's Saturday, guys. See, look at, it's already falling. It was a fake out. You know how many buyers there were right here, and they saw that green candle? It's just a fake out. Look at that selling pressure on the volume. This is tons of people, I guarantee, tried buying on this little support, hoping it would go up. Yeah, I'm mad I didn't switch my position to a short on SUI. Because look, at SUI breaks orb, comes back, tests it. Perfect trade. Perfect freaking trade, guys. Perfect short. Or you could have just targeted this, because we got a little reaction and it came down more. But the real question is, what's SUI going to do when we get here into this support? But there's so much selling pressure. We'll probably break through it. I don't know. We will see. But guys, I appreciate you. Come join our Discord. It's completely free. Just trying to get it going. Obviously, I've been building it, just like building the YouTube and the TikTok and the Instagram, X, all of it, right? We are just building day by day. So hit the like, subscribe, follow. We go live every morning on Twitch and TikTok, film for YouTube, and then post the video. Come join us, man. 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. I didn't go live today, just it's a weekend, but actually it was a decent setup today so far. It's actually, if you took the shorts, it's not a bad day. But all right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Hopefully Bitcoin can get above this. I personally think we are going to come down to here and then hopefully catapult out. But we will see. We will see, guys. honestly, right now even, you might be able to take the short at broke orb on Bitcoin. I'm not going to, just because I already shorted the two memes. But alright guys, talk to y'all later. Have a good day.